3, 2, 1.
The fluid surrounding cells is hemolymph in insects and other animals with an open type of what system? The answer is C, circulatory. What is a state of sustained, heightened concentration on a specific task? The answer is A, flow. In what TV series did Alicia Silverstone portray a divorce lawyer named Kate Fox? The answer is A, Mismatch. If you flip a fair coin 3 times, what is the probability you will get 3 heads? The answer is A, 1 out of 8. What are the glands that secrete milk in a woman's breasts? The answer is A, mammary glands. General Electric, one of the world's biggest corporations, is active in many market segments. In which of these areas do they not operate? The answer is A, oil drilling. What is used to keep a bike upright? The answer is C, stand. Which of the following would be considered a predator? The answer is A, grizzly bear. Which is an abiotic factor that most limits the number of frogs living in a pond? The answer is C, the temperature of the water. With which country is Fidel Castro associated? The answer is D, Cuba. Which game is set in the post-apocalyptic wasteland known as the Wasteland? The answer is C, Fallout. Which device uses a cathode ray tube? The answer is A, TV. Why do flamingos often stand on one leg? The answer is A, no one knows for sure. Which of the following does the UNS use to transport troops in the Halo series? The answer is A, pelicans. Bethlehem is 6 miles south of what city? The answer is D, Jerusalem. What system helps the body defend itself against disease while maintaining the levels of body fluids? The answer is C, lymphatic. What was the name of Pamela Anderson's first husband, whom she married on February 19, 1995? The answer is A, Tommy Lee. What an American singer, songwriter, and actress was born Kathy Epstein on August 16, 1953, in Paris, France? The answer is D, Kathy Lee Gifford. What is the primary equipment for playing soccer? The answer is A, ball. In 1905, German scientist Alfred Einhorn created the first injectable local anesthetic used in dentistry. What is it called? The answer is A. Novocaine. If the temperature is 34 degrees Fahrenheit, what could be put on top of the icy sidewalk to turn the ice to liquid? The answer is A. Sodium. Which temperature and moisture conditions describe an air mass that originates over the Atlantic Ocean near the equator? The answer is B. Warm and humid. In which book series does Draco Malfoy appear? The answer is A. Harry Potter. In what year was Gene Kelly born? The answer is A. 1912. Traditional in Germany at Christmas, what sort of food is stolen? The answer is D. Cake. What is the meaning of the name George, which has variants in dozens of languages? The answer is A. Farmer. What is the sum of all odd numbers between 1 and 50, excluding 1? The answer is C. 200. What is the meaning of the Spanish phrase "La invito a almorzar"? The answer is D. I'm inviting you to lunch. Which type of shoe is traditionally worn with a kilt? The answer is C. Highland boots. After Isaac Newton's death, chemical analysis showed that he had been exposed to immense amounts of which of the following? The answer is C. Mercury. Capital of Canada is? The answer is C. Ottawa. Which brand created the UGG boots? The answer is A. Nike. The Orinoco and Amazon are both in which continent? The answer is D. South America. What is the smallest unit of an element that retains the properties of that element? The answer is D. Atom. Which river flows through Brazil, Peru, and Colombia? The answer is A. Amazon. The average temperatures over a 4-month period were 31, 24, 18, and 12 degrees Celsius. What is the median temperature for these 4 months? The answer is B. 21 degrees C. Gasoline for cars is produced from fossil fuels. Using gasoline can most likely lead to which environmental problem? The answer is D. Global warming. Which furniture item is used to sit on while eating?
The answer is C. Dining table.
Which novel contains the line "Toad Hall," said the toad proudly, is an eligible self-contained gentleman's residence? The answer is A. The wind in the willows. This Swiss family boasts at least 3 generations of balloonists and inventors. What is their last name? The answer is B. Pickard. April 17, 1907 was the busiest day for new immigrants at Ellis Island. How many new Americans came through Ellis Island on that date? The answer is B. 11,747. What is a pen cap called? The answer is A. Clackers. When Jake breathes out on a cold day, a cloud is formed. Which change occurs that lets Jake see his breath as a cloud? The answer is A. Gas changes to liquid. What is the currency unit in Iraq? The answer is D. Dinar. Which country is known as the Land of Pharaohs? The answer is B. Egypt. Who was the only president to hold a patent? The answer is C. Benjamin Franklin. In the universe as a whole, what is the most common element? The answer is C. Hydrogen. Crude oil is a mixture of different types of what? The answer is C. Hydrocarbons. What is the thief who steals from everyone, yet you cannot catch him or keep him out of your house? The answer is A. Time. What is the name given to the force that tends to cause a moving object to maintain its velocity?